Hello friends, welcome to Smart Education in Your Hands. Today we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC questions on the topic Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization is one of the main important topic in ancient history. Okay, let's move on to the questions. Our first question is Indus Valley Civilization was discovered in which year? 1911, B 1921, C 1931, D 1941. And the answer is option B 1921. The Harappa city is excavated by Dayaram Sahni in 1921. Okay, next question. The people of Indus Valley civilization were almost A. Negroid, B. Proto-Australoid, C. Mediterranean, D. Nordic. And the answer is Mediterranean. The people of Indus Valley civilization are mostly Mediterranean people. Okay, next question. Which metal was unknown to Indus Valley civilization? Option A gold, B silver, C copper, D iron. They know about gold, silver, and copper, but they don't know about iron because iron was discovered in 1000 BC, but Harappa civilization is from 2500 BCE to 1750 BCE from radiocarbon dating. So, iron is the correct answer. Next question. The nature of Indus Valley civilization. We all know that it is an urban civilization. First urban civilization in India was Harappan civilization. Fifth question. Indus Valley civilization belongs to A. Prehistorical, B. Historical, C. Proto, D. Post. It is proto-historical period. Option C is the correct answer. Next. A statue of beard man was found at A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Chanhudaro, D. Dholavira. Beard man statue found in Mohenjo-daro. Next, in Indus Valley civilization, the script was A. Kharosthi, B. Brahmi, C. Bostrophodon, D. None of this. Indus Valley script is Bostrophodon, which means in the first line it will write from right to left, and the second line left to right, third line right to left. In that manner they will write. Okay. Next, eighth question. Which of the following is the latest site found? Yeah, the latest site found was Dholavira. It is also a three-party city. We know that, right? Okay. Harappa is located on the bank of the river Ravi. It is an obvious question. Next, the local name of Mohenjo-daro is A. Mound of Living, B. Mound of Survivor, C. Mound of Dead, D. Mound of Great. The answer is C. Mound of Dead. 11th question. Which of the following animals was unknown in Indus Valley civilization? A. Lion, B. Bull, C. Elephant, D. Horse. Bull, elephant, horse. These three were found in the form of terracotta figures in Harappan civilization, but they don't know about lions. So answer is option A, lion. Now move on to the next question. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization site gives evidence of dockyard? Of course, Lothal is having a dockyard, which means the ships may be arrived in Lothal. It is in Gujarat, right? Next, 13th question. Which one of the following Indus Valley civilization sites give evidence of stadium? A. Harappa, B. Kalibangan, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Dholavira. Dholavira is the right answer. Next, 14th. The people of Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of A. Pakka bricks, B. Wood, C. Stone, D. None of these. Pakka bricks. Bricks is the main feature in Indus Valley civilization. And remember that every brick is of same size and shape. Remember that. Okay. Next, 15th question. A seal depicting Mother Goddess with plant growing from the womb has been found from Remember, it is from Harappa. It is very important question. It is from Harappa. 16th question. Indus Valley civilization was discovered by option A. Dayaram Sahni, B. R.D. Banerjee, C. Cunningham, and D. Wheeler. Dayaram Sahni in 1921 he discovered or he excavated the Harappa city with Indus Valley civilization. So he discovered first. 17th question. A lot of beads were discovered from. Yeah, of course, a lot of beads were discovered at Mohenjo-daro, but bead factories were found in Lothal. Remember this difference, okay? 18th question. Mostly beads were made of. We know that. Beads are made up of lapis lazuli and it's small precious stones, but most of the stones are made from steatite. Remember this. And seals also made from steatite. Steatite is a soft stone. Okay, remember this. And 19th question. Which of the following cannot be considered proto-Harappan culture? Which is Kot Diji. Oh, sorry. Jorni culture, because Kot Diji has the early Harappan culture. Soti culture, Amri culture are also in Harappan culture, but Jorni culture is different from Harappan culture. Remember this. 20. Which of the following showed the greatest uniformity in Indus Valley civilization settlement? Town planning, of course. Town planning is very excellent in Indus Valley civilization, which is the urban features are there. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. This is the first part of my video. If you want second part, then please check on the playlist and you will find there. Thank you. Please, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.